We are just going to see certain things on the screen about plants. You don't worry about anything. Just try to read with me. We finished telling about the uses of plants, what are the things used for the following. Certain things are shown. Now, which part of the plant is used for all this? You don't worry about all that. Now read with me. Don't answer. Now you just look at the screen. Now W-E is we. We use. When I ask you to read, you can read in your mind. We use dash to make clothes. Clothes means dress. Dress. Cloth is the material.
Ma'am, we want to write
No, don't write anything. Please do not open your notebook. Nothing to write. I will tell you after the class what you have to do. Is it clear to everybody? Okay? Just listen to me. I just want you to read with me in your mind. Afterwards, I'll ask you to read. We use dash to make clothes. Clothes means dress, the uniform, the lovely birthday clothes, home, whatever you wear at home, clothes. And cloth is the material. So out of that, you make clothes. Clothes. You stitch clothes. And sacks. S-A-C-K-S. Sack. Where you carry things. Rice sack is there. Cement sack is there. Like that. Different sack. I'm just explaining to you what is a sack. Then the ropes, what you use to tie things, ropes. We use dash to make clothes, sacks, and ropes. R-O-P-E-S, ropes. So you just listen to the pronunciation and read in your mind. We use dash. Now just see the answer what we use.
Ma'am, we use plants, ma'am.
We use, just see the answer. Fibres. Fibers. If you want to know about fibers, you can go back to the recording where we explained about plants, things we get from plants. You can see the picture. Now, you
Ma'am,
read
it's
side.
right.
Let me know who's this. Tell your name, please.
Ma'am, you win.
Yuvan. No need to write Yuvan. You can just look at the screen and observe the things written. I want you to read in your mind with me. After giving all the answers, I'll make you read it. Okay, I'll give you a chance. Don't write anything. You can't write now from the class. Now, we use fibers to make clothes, sacks, and ropes. So keep that word Fibres, fibers. Children, when I ask you your name, don't get scared. I just want to explain to you. Okay? Now that's over. Now just keep that in your mind. It will be on the screen, all these things. Second one, dash, something. One part of the plant. Even many things are used for decoration, but here dash are also used for decorations, decorating. So many decorations we use this particular part of the plant. Don't tell answer, please. Then all will come. All will switch on their microphone and they will all scream. Now, I know that you know the answers. Now, let me see. Yes, flowers. Flowers are also used for decorations, to decorate so many things. We decorate a house with even plastic flowers and or I mean paper flowers and real flowers we use. So parts of the plant is your real flowers. One full day that will stay like very very fresh. Flowers are also used for decorations. 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 It's a long word. Decorations. The answer is flowers. Flowers. Yes. Now, third one. You can just imagine spices give dash to a food. When you cook biryani, when you cook mutton gravy or any vegetable stew and all that, nice taste it will give. I don't know, you just tell me I finished telling you the answer. Spices give, just a second. Spices give dash to a food. Just see the answer. Spices give taste. There are two answers. Flavor, that also you can write. Usually you say taste to our food. A nice smell you get when you add space. Nice taste. Is it clear? A nice color. Also certain things. If you add spices, spices give taste or flavor. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Taste. Flavou, a flavor, to our food. If you just cook your food with salt, you won't get any taste. You add masala. You add masala to it. Excuse me. Number four. Number four. Dash is used for making furniture. Children, just have a look at that word furniture. For singular and plural, it's only furniture. Don't add s. It's furniture. Now itself you must know the basic. Furniture. Dash is used. You have table, chairs, desk, sofa, all these things. We call them furniture. Okay. This furniture is made out of what? Which part of the plant? You just see the answer. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Now I will call, I will call Puneet. Puneet. Puneet, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good Puneet. Just observe, okay? Now I want you to read. I will help you. I want you to read the first fill in the blank fully. I will help you. Start. We read.
We use fiber to make clothes, sacks, and ropes.
Very good. Now, like this, one by one, I will ask. You have to answer. Now, I just want Prajan. Prajan, are you there? Prajan? Prajan, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Prajan, can you help me to read the second one fully, full sentence? Yes. Read.
Flowers are
Yes.
also used for decorations.
Very good. I was thinking my children won't be able to read, and y'all are so good. Very good. Now, third one, I want Sanjit. Sanjit, are you present? Sanjit? Okay, just wait. Sanjit. Now next, Trid. TRIDIB. Yes, Tridip.
Ma'am, Sanjit, I
Okay,
listening.
1 minute. Sorry. Okay, the question goes to Sanjit. Third one goes to Sanjit, and Tridip can be ready for the read third one. Read. Spices
Give
give, yes,
taste,
taste or flavor. Read.
flavor,
Flavor, yes.
to
Uh,
our food.
you tell very good, Sanjit. Okay, now I think Tridip is ready for the fourth question. Tridip, come on. Yes. Very good. Good morning. Read the fourth question, fourth answer. Answer with a sentence, full sentence. Fourth one. Yes.
Wood is used for making furniture.
Furniture. Very good. Okay, now we go back to, not we go back to, we'll go to the next one. Okay, you don't answer. I'm just going to show you the next activity. Okay, next activity. Now, just don't write anything, just look at the screen. Classify the plants. Now, mango, rose, mint, grapevine, pea plant, lotus, neem, hibiscus, coriander, water lily. Don't say anything, don't write. Just look at the screen. Look at the screen. Now, the first name in the column is tree, and you know what are the trees names given over here? Herb, shrub, climbers, water plant. Okay. Now you don't worry, you don't try to answer. Yes, don't disturb in between. No need to write, please. No need to write. You just observe the table over here. The first one, I'll teach you how to do it. And I'll tell you when you have to do it. I'll do it today. I will give different names later. I'll just teach you how to do this activity. Now, mango is given. First one, mango. Just to see where will mango go. See, don't answer, please. Parents, please help them. Please don't answer now. You don't write anything. I'm just teaching you this, and I'll give you another activity later. They have to just observe. Now you have to take the first name, that is mango. And mango is a tree. I'll give you different names of all these things, and we'll do it later. You have to do it by yourself, but you listen and see how you have to do it. Now, second one is rose. Let's see under which category, which heading rose lies. Come on. Now, just see. Yes, rose is a shrub. So it comes under shrub. I know that you know the answer. Just listen. Now, rose plant comes under. Now, third one is mint. Please, just send a message. Don't write, children. You have to listen. This is only class. Okay, now.
Ma'am, we are
Ma'am,
not
not able.
able to hear you, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Now, after we plant lotus, lotus, it is a water plant. Lotus, water plant. Neem, it's a tree. Neem is a tree. Now, hibiscus, shufla, hibiscus, it is a shrub. You don't worry about anything. You will get different names and you can do the activity by yourself later. Not coriander. Yes. Soft stem, small plant, very small plant. Herb. Water lily. From the name itself, you know. Water lily. Now that's all. That's all. Now no need to answer. Now we'll go to the next activity. Now you know this picture and already have done. And see that the first one, the part where I'm showing is leaf. This is not very important now, but you just listen to this. Second one, stem. Third one, root. Then you just come to the left side of, yeah, the right side of the plant. Flower. Somebody's going on, disturbing. Should we write? Should we write? Don't do anything when I take class, children. Tangareknam, good girl. I know that it's very hard for you to listen, but you just wait. Okay, good girl, good girl. Now see the next part. It's a fruit. Now we are not worried about all this now. I want you to write, not uses of each part, like leaf, what you are using, the leaf, stem, root, flower, fruit. Now we'll just see the next one. You don't worry about anything, just have a look. You have to read. After that, I'll make you read. Now, part of all the plants there, okay? Each part. Now, parts of plants here and the uses. Now, what do we use leaves for? Just we eat leaves of these plants, but for the plant, how they are useful? What do they do? Is it clear? Leaves. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Leaves make. Prepare means make food. How do these parts used to make? Now the uses of these parts of plants, okay? Uses. How do they help the plants to grow? Leaves prepare food for the plant. Don't write. Now, leaves make food for the plant. Now, see the stem. Next one is stem. How you do work? What work? For the stems. Stems help the plant to stand straight. That means stems hold the plant upright, straight. Okay? Stems help the plant stand upright, straight stems. Now, roots below, this part is below the soil. Roots fix, you'll fix something, that will be fixed forever over there. Roots fix the plant firmly to the soil, close to the soil, and there won't be any movement. Okay? Roots fix the plant firmly to the soil. Sand, roots. This is the work of the roots. Now, flower. Lots of uses are there. We are just asking only one use. Okay? You can write your own answers. When I ask you for the next class, you can answer me. Now, flowers. Flower. It's a part of a plant. Many flowers are used to make perfumes. Like you said, flowers are used to decorate things, decorations. Now your perfumes, scent, perfumes. You get spray, like jasmine, rose, all different perfume you get. These many flowers are used to make perfumes. And fruit provide nutrition. Now that's for us. Now just look at the screen over there. Now each plant will give different fruit. Now just look at the screen. Now I will call one person and I'll ask you to read which sentence you have to read. I will ask you now. Effie, are you there? Effie?
Ma'am,
Yes. Effie, good morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Now, can you, Effie, yes, can you read only Effie? Yes. Can you read the first one about the leaves?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Leaves prepare
Okay.
food for the plant.
Very good. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Leaves prepare.
Ma'am, this is breaking.
Okay. Now, next person. Effie, just wait. Effie, you can just turn off your microphone. Now I want Archant. Archant. Yes. Are you there? Archant. Akshaya, please mute your mic.
It's not clear.
Yes, thank you. Archant. Not there. No, not clear. Sachin. Sachin, are you there?
Yes,
Sachin, is it Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So only Sachin must speak now. Sachin. Sachin, can you read the second one about the
Okay,
about
ma'am.
the yes, please read.
Stem
Stem, hold
hold the plant
upright. That means stems will help the plant stand straight. Very good. Now next person is Sanjay. Sanjay, are you there? Sanjay. Sanjay. Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Sanjay, help me to read
What is Sanjay?
roots. No, don't worry. Roots. Read that sentence. Fix
Plant
the
to the soil.
don't worry. The firmly. Read after me. Firmly
Hurry.
to the soil. Don't worry. Read. Roots. Read after me, Sanjay. Roots fix the plant firmly to the soil. Very good. You can read. Now, 1 minute. Next one. Sigh. Sai Sarvesh.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I. Good morning. Read about flour. Start with many.
Many flowers are used to make perfume.
Very good. Many flowers are used to make perfumes. All are reading well. Then why? You're getting scared. Now, Tion. Tion. Are
Ma'am,
you there? Yes. Good morning, Tion.
good
Now
morning,
read the
ma'am.
last one. Fruit. Very easy. Only 2 words. Just see. Fruit. Provide. Read.
Proud,
No, no. Say provide gives. Yeah, yeah.
provide
Nutrition.
nutrition.
Don't worry, it's quite a big word for second standard, but don't worry about it. We'll just read. Okay, very good, children. Now, we'll just see what after class, not now after class, after, now we are closing this, but just look at the instructions given. Don't take your book now. Understood? Now, you have to open your notebook, not now, later. This part of the plans user. See, read the a sentence, write the topic given above in your classwork note dated 1/7. That means you have to write the date in your notebook 1/7/2020. Then write the heading. What's given? Only this exercise. Part of plants. Just give 2 dots. Uses. Only this you have to write. Not now. You have to write when you're free in your classwork. So Friday's class, I will ask you to show this. Only this heading and the things written down. So you have to write leaves, then write that sentence. Okay, how it's shown here. Then leave a line after leaves, then stem. You have to write the sentence. Roots, you have to write. Flower, fruit. Children, don't get worried about anything. You have to write leaves first. But you have to leave one line. Leaves prepare food for the plant. You have to write the full sentence, then leave a line. You don't write all the headings together, left side. I mean, left side of us, how when we just observe the class, leaves. Only write leaves, put one hyphen, leaves, prepare, food for the plant. Don't write now. Then put a full stop, leave a line. Now, stem. Stems hold the plant upright. Stems hold the plant upright. You have to read this 3 times when you write. Stems hold the plant upright. Understood? Now, next one. Roots. Then after writing that sentence, leave a line. Roots fix the plant firmly to the firm means very close. It's tight in there. It won't come out once if it's planted. Okay, the plant. Now, next one. Roots fix the plant firmly to the soil. Leave a line. Flower. Many flowers are used to make perfumes. Many flowers. Only one use we are asking. Many flowers are used to make perfumes. Now, fruit provide nutrition. Those who are not, attending the class also, the recording will be sent. So, if anybody asks you anything, you can just tell. Only this exercise you have to write in your classwork note, okay? Okay, children, I think it's clear to you. Parts of plants. Okay, parts of plants. Now you can ask some questions if you have any doubt. Okay, you have any doubt, you can ask. No need to copy everything, only this heading. Yes? Any doubt? No, no doubt.